Hey there! Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence or AI is all about? Let's break it down in simple terms. AI is like giving computers a brain so they can think and learn like us. It's a part of computer science where we create machines that can do things that usually need human intelligence. Things like recognizing speech, making decisions, solving problems, and even understanding and talking back to us. You've probably already used AI without even realizing it. Digital assistants like Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, and even those advanced robots that help doctors in surgery. All of these use AI. Right now, most AI is what's called narrow AI. This means it's designed to do specific tasks really well, like playing a game or analyzing data, but it can't do anything outside its specific job. The big dream, though, is general AI. This would be an AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge to a wide range of tasks, just like a human can. AI keeps getting better thanks to machine learning. This is where AI systems learn from data and get smarter over time without us having to program every little detail. As AI evolves, it's set to tackle some of the biggest challenges we face, like improving healthcare, fighting climate change, and making education more accessible. AI isn't just techie stuff. It's about enhancing what we can do and creating new opportunities. Whether it's making better decisions or helping us understand our world, AI is changing the game. Stick around and join us as we explore the exciting world of AI and see how it's shaping our future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.